Okay, everybody, this is Dr. Lee. I'm gonna try to keep it a little quiet this morning. This Super Bowl morning, Laura says she won't bake potatoes. So what I'm doing here, picking out some of the larger potatoes in the sack here. So I can give her what she asked for with that wonderful steak I'm gonna make today. Now, what I'm doing right now is I'm picking out the potatoes that I'm going to bake. What I'm going to do is I'm going to let that potato soak a while. Then I'm going to scrub them with a clean, green, brand new scrub pad. That way, because we all know that the skin of the potato is the healthiest part. We don't eat that because I'm going to scrub all the dirt off it. Idaho or Oregon, or Idaho, wherever these potatoes come from. And that's enough for today. Tomorrow, we got enough right here. I'm not even counting it. Got about half the bag here. And also what we're going to be doing today, adjust the camera a little bit here. Here we go. Zoom in right here. On that bottle of Aloha Show You. Now, what I did yesterday, Buck, you know about this, is I made the dirt mixture, baby, set all night. Y'all take a look at that. Let me get you down in that camera. Now that is the Show You, but with Dr. Lee mixes in it. Can't tell you what it is, it's a secret recipe, but you can start off with the Show You. If you look at all my videos, then you might end up figuring it out, but I doubt it. And then that Show You. From that Show You, I'll be marinating, baby. I'll be marinating some nice T-bone steaks. Now, of course, the amount of Show You I got over in that bowl here is way too much for 6 steaks. So I used 2 bottles when I made the mixture last night. And I'm just going to take some and pour it back in. So anyway, I'm going to go on and get some of this Show You back in the bottle. Oh, get all the fixings in that one. You got to use ice pick to run them down. Oh yeah. Make sure the ice pick is kind of clean. Fill that up. And then whatever's left, I can use that for these steaks. I'll kind of put some back in that other bottle too. Nope. I fried some fish this week and I put that old grease in that other bottle. But I got plenty of Tupperware and other options. But I'm not going to overuse the Show You. Matter of fact, next time I do some ribs, Aloha, baby. Smoked over pecan wood. Boy, I never stop working it out. I never stop working it out. This is Dr. Lee. And I'm going to marinate these steaks before I go to church. When I come back, I'll fire up the grill. That's way too much for 6. Fire up the grill, etc., etc. With the potatoes, the veggies, you know, might even do a little cornbread. It's Dr. Lee. Super Bowl 2014. And if you're hearing noise this time, it ain't gonna be me and the boys because we all our separate domains right now. Don't worry, 2017 Super Bowl be in Houston, warm weather climate. We'll be back. Might even go to Cali. I don't know. We'll see.